Rice Terraces.
Hi everyone, finally I am in Banaue town and I am here in front of Banaue Rice Terraces and the view is beautiful. Let's have a look around. Let's have a look at this beautiful Rice Terraces view. This is the viewpoint where you can see the terraces printed on the 20 peso bill in Philippines. How are you? What's your name? What is your name?
Domingo.
Domingo. You are interesting.
Domingo.
What's that? Oh my God, that's interesting.
85 years old. Domingo.
Ah, you are 85 years old. I see. Okay, nice. Here we have another viewpoint of Banaue Rice Terraces. This is Dianara view deck and I think it looks beautiful too. Let's have a look. Here it is, Banaue Rice Terraces from another viewpoint, and the view is really so beautiful here. Let's have a look at my drone videos as well. Look at this head style, very interesting. What's your name?
Don Dagi.
Dagi, how old are you?
90.
90, really?
Yeah.
You are 90 years old? Smile! Interesting, okay. You are living here?
Yeah, sir.
Do you have rice terraces here?
Yeah, the first time he said that they okay in working of the rice terraces.
Okay,
That
nice.
year, may I have sick of rheuma.
Ah, your
not
head
very
is very
working.
interesting. Your smile is also very interesting. Wow, there is a nice waterfall over there. Amazing. drone videos of the rice terraces was amazing, right? Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. More videos coming from Philippines very soon when I have time to edit my videos. Until we see you in my next video, please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.